Welcome to our tutorial on how to change YouTube layout back to normal. 1. Open a YouTube page. 2. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus I, that is an I as in information. 3. Application tab on top, may have to click the arrows to view more tabs. 4. On the left in storage expand Cookies 5. Click on the cookie for YouTube 6. On the right you should see columns for name and value 7. In the name column there should be one called Pref. If this is missing, do something on the YouTube page to create it. Just disable autoplay on a video, or change the sort order if you are viewing someone's videos in their profile 8. For Pref, double-click the value to edit it and replace it with F6 = 8, or add it to what is already there with and F6 = 89. Click off of the value, or press enter to save it and then refresh the page. All YouTube pages will now use the old layout. You have learned how to change YouTube layout back to normal. Thank you for watching our guide.